I am Ezra Speaking, and today we have one of the very most special guests. We have Sheila Klinker. You all know her. Give her a round of applause.
Oh, thanks, Ezra.
Alrighty, well, can I ask you some questions?
You certainly can.
Okay. Well, what is your favorite color?
What is my favorite color?
Yes.
Well, I should say red, white, and blue.
Yeah.
But I also love purple. Purple is one of my very favorite
My mom
colors.
likes that color
Yours too?
Yep.
Good.
Okay. What time do you go to work?
What time do I go to work?
Yeah.
Well, at different times. Sometimes it's quite early. On Monday mornings, I go to Harrison Kiwanis meeting, and they meet at 7 a.m. So that's every Monday morning. And then I do Read to Succeed at Miller School, and then I go into the State House. So I get up pretty early every morning, probably around 6:30, sometimes 5:30, in order to make it to a 7 o'clock meeting.
Okay. Well, can I just show you some pictures and ask, like,
Sure.
what is this picture? What is this house? Or so, tell me maybe about this picture, like who's sitting where and where the
Yes, that's a House of Representatives, and let me move here. My seat is right there, and there I am.
Right
here.
there. Okay. Well, that is cool.
Second seat in.
All right.
Yeah.
So, where are you doing? Making laws, or what are you doing?
That's right. I'm looking at what's going to happen that day and reading online what bills might be coming up that day.
Okay.
Going over that, reading those.
Okay. Well, next, we're gonna show me this last picture. It's another beautiful state house. Yep. Alrighty.
That's a beautiful picture of the State House.
Yes, it is.
And that's the north parking lot right out here.
It's like right
where
here.
I park.
Okay.
Where Sheila Klinker parks, right over here. So I get to go in this
area.
north door, but I have to have a special card to get in there.
Yep.
You can't just walk in. If you're going to be, say, a classroom coming from Lafayette, you have to go in this door.
From
That's
this way.
That's the east door.
Okay.
And because they check you
Yeah.
out and go through, the whole
The security
thing to see
Yep.
through the metal detectors.
Yep. Alrighty. Next, we're just gonna do a couple of weather things.
Okay.
Okay. So, can you just do Thursday, Friday, and Saturday?
All right. Thank you. 33 Thursday and 32 evening. Friday, we warm up a little bit.
Yep.
We have 37 during the day, correct? And 31 in the evening. And then Saturday, 39, a little bit warmer. And 29,
But
it gets a little bit cooler in the evening, doesn't it? 29 degrees on Saturday, and you're going to do the rest.
Alrighty.
Right?
Well, on Sunday, 34 in the day and 32 in the evening. It's just going to be a little bit colder than usual, but it will still be okay. But on Monday, we have 42 in the day, and then we have
Let me get out of the way.
28 in the evening. Alrighty. So next, we are going to be doing some trivia. Okay. So you want to do A State is Born? Okay.
How about $500?
Okay. This body of elected people made up Indiana state representative government.
That's 1816, and that was the representatives, House of Representatives.
Okay.
General Assembly.
Okay. So you have 500. Okay.
Mhm.
Next, which one would you like to do?
How about citizenship in action? $100.
This action is an American's right and responsibility and how we choose who represents us in government.
That's our voting rights.
Voting rights.
Very important. We get to
What is
vote.
voting? Okay.
Okay. How about, can we do a state is born again?
Sure.
Okay, let's do 400 for a state is born.
This document established Indiana's first form of state government.
Our Indiana State Constitution. And
Good
there we
job.
go. Mhm.
Alrighty, we have to do final factal. It's final factal time. Yes. Okay, what do you want to wager?
What do I want to wager?
Yeah. How much money?
Oh, 400?
400.
Okay. What do you think?
I think that's a good amount. Okay. Wagered. So you wagered 400. Play now. What day did Indiana officially become a state?
Well, 1816, but I'm not sure what day.
Okay. December 11th.
December 11th. Yes. December 11th. That's correct.
Alrighty. Well,
That's famous.
you got, and the winner is,
Yes.
well, it will be you. 2 watermelons. Okay, well, thanks for playing with me.
Well, thank you, Ezra. This was a lot of fun. Thank you.
So we have printed off something, and we were wondering if you could sign this picture.
Oh, my goodness gracious.
A picture of Sheila Klinker.
And
we
do you
just-
notice that I wore the same?
Yeah.
Oh,
With
thank
this
you.
right here.
A little red, white, and blue, though, here.
Yeah.
Where would you like for me to sign it, Ezra?
Wherever you'd like.
Is that okay?
Yep.
Is that
There
all
we
right?
go. Yep. Alrighty, so next what I have, the last thing that I'm going to be giving you is I'm going to be giving you your own weather journal.
Oh, how nice, Ezra. Thank you. You have your own weather journal? Oh, that is really something. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, and I will use this quite often to schedule important events like this one. Okay? All right.
Thank you, everybody, for watching today's channel. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. And thank you, State Representative Klinker, for coming on the show today.
It was an honor, Ezra. Thank you for asking me.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Well, thank you, everybody, for watching today's video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to today's video. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Bye.